Welcome to AutoVibe, your trusted source for the latest updates, reviews, and insights on two-wheelers. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the new Honda Activa 7G, Honda's latest upgrade to India's most loved scooter. Packed with new features, refined design, and improved performance, the Activa 7G is ready to set new benchmarks in the commuter scooter segment. Design and styling. The Honda Activa 7G continues the familiar, timeless design that customers love but adds a modern touch. The body lines are sleeker, the chrome accents are more prominent, and the LED headlamp and DRLs now look sharper. The scooter also comes in fresh, vibrant color options that appeal to both young riders and family users. Honda has maintained its comfortable seat height and wide footboard, ensuring ease of use for all ages. Engine and performance. Powering the Activa 7G is Honda's trusted 109.51 cubic centimeters, fuel-injected, single-cylinder engine, tuned for even better fuel efficiency and smoother acceleration. The enhanced Smart Power (ESP) technology ensures quieter starts and reduced friction for improved performance. With a mileage of around 55 to 60 km/L and a top speed close to 85 km per hour, it's perfect for daily city commutes without compromising reliability. Features and technology. One of the biggest highlights of the Activa 7G is its Smart Key technology. This allows remote start, keyless ignition, and anti-theft functionality. The fully digital instrument cluster now displays real-time mileage, distance to empty, trip meter, and service reminders. Honda has also introduced a side stand engine cutoff for added safety and a front glove box for extra convenience. Comfort and ride quality. The Activa 7G retains its telescopic front suspension and 12-inch front wheel for better stability. The seat cushioning is improved, and the under-seat storage remains spacious enough for a full-face helmet. The scooter's lightweight frame ensures effortless handling, even in heavy traffic. Price and variance. Honda offers the Activa 7G in multiple variants, starting from an attractive base price, making it accessible to a wide audience. It's available in both standard and deluxe trims, with slight differences in features and styling elements. Conclusion. The Honda Activa 7G is a perfect blend of reliability, modern features, and everyday practicality. It strengthens Honda's position in the scooter market and is set to be the go-to choice for urban commuters. If you're looking for a trusted, stylish, and feature-rich scooter, the Activa 7G deserves your attention.